Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. Now for this we will need a cable, so you want to plug it in. Actually, we're gonna wait with plugging it in, and first we're gonna turn it off. So hold power button, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold both volume buttons. Gonna try to hold it in some way. So while you're holding both volume buttons, you're gonna plug it in. So let's try to do that somehow. There we go. I'm still holding both volume buttons at the moment, and in a second it should boot into recovery mode. And there we go. So, in here you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options. Volume down will navigate down, and up, obviously up, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options right here, we have a reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which will most likely take us to fastboot mode, and then the second next option does the same thing. Then going back, we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, factory reset of the device, on system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. Those are all the options. Now I'm gonna stick with the first one, reboot system now, confirm it, and this will now initiate a reboot of the tablet and take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.